Take a good look at God's wonders that will take your breath away. Dry season. The dry season is a period of low rainfall, typically occurring in the tropical and subtropical regions. During this time, the lack of precipitation leads to reduced water availability and increased evaporation, leading to drier and often hotter weather conditions. The dry season is usually characterized by sunny skies, low humidity, and a reduced risk of severe weather events such as hurricane and tropical storms. This can make it an ideal time for outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, and wildlife watching, as well as for agricultural activities like planting and harvesting crops. The dry season can also have a negative impact, especially in the areas that rely heavily on rainfall for water supplies and agriculture. The lack of moisture can cause crops to fail, leading to food shortages and economic hardship. In some regions, the dry season can also result in increased risk of forest fires and increased dust and air pollution. The timing and duration of the dry season varies depending on location and climate, but it is typically associated with specific weather patterns and changes in atmospheric circulation. In some regions, the dry season is associated with the presence of a subtropical high pressure system which suppresses rainfall and leads to dry conditions. Effects of dry season. The effect of dry season can be both positive and negative, and they vary depending on region and its characteristics. In agriculture, the prolonged dryness leads to drought, causing reduced crop yield and potentially causing food shortages. Water resources. The dry season leads to a reduction in the water level in rivers, lakes, and reservoirs, reducing the availability of water for drinking, irrigation, and other uses, which can eventually lead to water scarcity. Fire outbreak. The dry condition and a low humidity during the dry season can increase the risk of wildfire, especially in areas with large amounts of dry vegetation or forest. Ecosystem. The dry season can affect ecosystem and wildlife as plants and animals struggle to find food and water. Some species may need to migrate to find water, while others may face increased competition for resources. Health. The high temperature and low humidity can increase the risk of heat-related illnesses and respiratory problems caused by air pollution and dust. Tourism. For some regions, the dry season can be a peak tourism season as it offers good weather conditions for outdoor activities and attractions. The dry season can also impact tourism if it causes natural disasters or other negative impacts. Overall, the effect of dry season can be significant and far-reaching, and it can have a major impact on local communities and economics. Altogether now, applause for God. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.